everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys 3 of my favorite healthy breakfasts right now. They're all yummy, delicious, easy to make while being gluten-free, grain-free, paleo, and all of that. So let's go ahead and jump in. So the first thing we're making is this loaded yogurt bowl. I've been obsessed with these loaded yogurt bowls. I'm using this dairy-free yogurt from Legrand. It's really yummy. I just get it at Whole Foods. It's my current favorite dairy-free one. I know I get a lot of questions. And then I'm slicing up some organic strawberries. It is so important. If you buy any fruit or vegetable organic, you want it to be strawberries because it is the dirtiest of the dirty dozen. So they're covered with pesticides otherwise and all of these other additives that you don't want. And then I'm putting on some of my homemade grain-free granola. You can also just use a store-bought one. Adding on macadamia nuts, some cacao nibs, and a drizzle of almond hazelnut butter. Guys, this combo is insane. And it mixes all together. It is all about the toppings, and I really encourage you to mix up your toppings, have fun, and load up your yogurt bowls with all of this deliciousness. How good does that look? Oh, it is so yummy. Next up, we have this egg quesadilla. This is my favorite savory breakfast right now. It is so easy to make. I'm just cracking a couple eggs. Eggs are so good for you. They're rich in choline for your brain, protein, healthy fats, keep you full. And as you guys can see by the dark color, I do use a pasture-raised free-run egg. So just whisk that together, super simple. Add it to a pan with a little oil on medium heat. And once it is semi-cooked through, I add on some garlic salt and some pepper. And then you are going to lie on your tortilla. I use the unbun ones. They're gluten-free, grain-free. You flip it over like this. And then all you can do, you can put cheese in the middle if you want. I added some dairy-free cheese in the middle. This is optional. You can add in anything else, fold it over, and you have this egg quesadilla. It is so quick, so yummy. It also feels like you're a kid again, and it's very nostalgic. So it's fun to have as an adult breakfast. You can slice it open. I mean, you can also add other things, but I just keep it simple. So yummy, a quick little savory breakfast. And then the last thing we're going to be making is some baked oatmeal. Baked oatmeal has been trending on TikTok, so I thought I would make a grain-free version with some almond flour, some coconut flakes, some pumpkin spice, but you can also use cinnamon. I added in some vanilla for flavor, and then a little bit of maple syrup. Stir that all together with some psyllium husk and some almond milk. You guys know milk is my favorite, almond milk. So I'm adding in a few tablespoons of that. You can also use any kind of nut or seed milk here. Just add that all into a bowl, stir that together until everything is nice and incorporated. If you don't like coconut, you could also add nuts to this. You could add some sliced almonds or walnuts or pecans, anything you want. And I'm putting that into a greased ramekin, so mine is just a small one. Add that in, and then I am topping mine with a few sugar-free, dairy-free chocolate chips on the top. Just make it kind of like a baked oatmeal, but cookie kind of style. So I'm putting that on the top, bake that, and then you will have this baked kind of oatmeal with the coconut, the almond flour, full of protein, healthy fats, and a touch of chocolate. It's basically like a warm cookie for breakfast. It is so good. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which one of these breakfasts you're going to make first, and if you make them, tag me on Instagram so I can share them on my stories. I have honestly been obsessed with the yogurt bowl, I think the most, because you can have so many different toppings on it, and this topping combo is it is the best. It is so good. You need to try it. So with that being said, I'm going to leave my last healthy breakfast here on the screen so you can get lots more healthy breakfast inspiration, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.